Sawubona, sawubona, sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Mama Tando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Mngani, in this video lesson, we will be learning how to count objects in isiZulu with the number 5. You would want to make sure you watch this because the number 5 changes for certain words, how it is pronounced and how it is spelled. In isiZulu, the adjective comes after the noun always. For example, if you want to say a short tree, the word tree, isihlahla, will come first, followed by the adjective short, which is fishane. And so you will have isihlahla esifishane. What is that esi before the adjective? Well, that's the prefix of the adjective. We'll get to that soon. In this particular case, the adjective will be the number because we are describing objects or nouns by the number 5. You will see two words. The first will be the noun itself, followed by the number. The number you will see will not be the same as the full number that we use when we list numbers in isiZulu, like saying kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu. We will not see it like that. The number 5 in isiZulu is kuhlanu. We will only take the root of the number and leave the prefix behind. A prefix is made up of the first 1 to 3, sometimes 4 letters of a word. For the number 5, which is kuhlanu, kuhlanu, you will only see hlanu on the adjective. For some of the words, you will see the number as nhlanu instead of hlanu. Listen to the slight difference in those two words. There is a nasal sound, nhlanu, and an aspirated sound, hlanu, much softer. And so when we want to say 5 homes in isiZulu, we will then say imizi emihlanu. The letters emi before the number hlanu is the prefix of the adjective for words that start with I am. The prefix of the noun and the prefix of its adjective never change. If the word starts with aba, then its adjective will always have the prefix aba. If a word starts with ama, then the adjective will always start with a. If a word starts with im, then its adjective will always start with e. If a word starts with isi, then its adjective will always start with esi. If a word starts with ili, then its adjective will always start with eli. If a word starts with ulu, then its adjective will always start with olu. If a word starts with o, then its adjective will always start with aba. If a word starts with then its adjective will always start with o. If a word starts with easy, then the adjective will always start with easy. Let us get on with our lesson, counting objects using the number 5. I will first give you the noun, tell you what it is in English, and then give you the phrase with the noun and the number adjective. Abantu, people. Abantu abahlanu. Now you try. Mothers. Oh mama, mothers. Oh mama abahlanu. Now you try. Imizi, homes. Imizi emihlanu. Now you try. Amehlo, eyes. Amehlo amahlanu. That must be a monster with 5 eyes. Now you try. Izandla, hands. Izandla ezinhlanu. Now you try. Izimbali, flowers. Izimbali ezinhlanu. Now you try. Izinja, dogs. Izinja ezinhlanu. Now you try. Izinti, sticks. Izinti ezinhlanu. Now you try. Nouns starting with UBU, ubu, are considered uncountable nouns in isiZulu. However, there are a couple of words that we can actually count. For example, faces, ubuso. We can say 5 faces. However, the word ubuso does not change whether you are saying 1 face or 5 faces. 1 face is ubuso obubodwa. 5 faces, ubuso obuhlanu. Now you try. Words starting with UKU and UK and UKW are uncountable nouns. Those are gerunds or verbal nouns, nouns that are taken from verbs, and then you add the letters ing in English. In isiZulu, it is the letters UK, UKW, or UKU, followed by the verb. For example, speaking, so not to speak, but speaking is ukukhuluma, ukukhuluma. But we can't count that. How can we count ukukhuluma? Think about it. Ukukhuluma okukodwa. No, there is no such. We cannot count speaking. Maybe we can count speeches, but that's not the same word. That is inkulumo, one speech. Inkulumo eyodwa. Speeches, izinkulumo ezimbili. And so we are unable to count gerunds or verbal nouns. Well, mngani, that's the end of this lesson. That is how we count objects by the number 5 in isiZulu. Make sure you watch the other video lessons teaching you how to count objects using other numbers ngesiZulu. And also catch up on the daily lessons in isiZulu. And also visit my website to catch up on other lessons on zululessons.com/isiZulu-classroom. Ngiyabonga mngani, sala kahle.